Hi guys, and this is a quick recording of weekly Forex recap because the broadcast, basically live broadcast, had some problems. So now, guys, we need definitely to record like this. So at this point, I'm recording. So now we are online. Great. Okay. So that there was some problem with the software. Now finally we are live. Okay, guys. Now what? Where are we? So many questions. Actually, excellent. You can see me now. Great. Okay. I will actually. Yeah, but you can. Do you see my screen? Actually, it should be a weekly Forex recap. You should be seeing my screen now. I guess everything is fine now. And also, yeah, we have Euro GBP trade running at this point, guys. Just give me a few seconds to actually protect 20 pips. Okay, just give me a few seconds. We have some nice trade running. Okay. I really need to manage it all. So yeah, or actually I will leave this. Yeah, I'm gonna actually scale out. Or yeah, I will take full profit probably on Euro GBP. Or yeah, I will actually wait. This is not a big profit, so let's wait. I will update you. Yeah, if we take a full profit, it's still only 12 pips, so yeah, it's nothing. We need more really from this trade. Okay. Before we start, always with disclaimer: explain the CFD and Forex are leveraged products and can result in losses that exceed your deposits. Have in mind that everything you hear is my personal opinion only. Trading rules, you all know, guys. Trading rules. I will give you like half a minute just to quickly go through these trading rules. They're always the same. We don't change anything, and basically we stick with these rules very, very, very seriously. So before I delve into what happened last week, these are results. Euro dollar positional buy was good for 60 pips. Pound dollar alternative sell was minus 40 pips. The Australian dollar was good for 70 pips. Dollar CAD 55. Bitcoin dollar 80. Gold didn't qualify. Total people 224. Trade of the week was the Australian dollar. This vertical line always represents the time of our webinar. So here you can see how the euro dollar rejected from the POC zone straight to target. It even overshot the target, but I was very happy with this trade because it made some nice pips. Really, euro dollar was very, very, very good. GBP dollar was the only trade that we had a loss with, and this loss was basically because price went up without stopping, and it hit our stop straight after the setup. The Australian dollar was good. Again, one of the better trades. Rejection from 71.10. Actually, it went straight towards our 72.10. Yeah, and again, it actually rejected from the POC zone and hit our target and even overshot our target. The dollar CAD, it was ranging, but we had a nice setup. It was a positional buy. The price was in the POC zone straight toward 32.80. So if you traded this, you could have made a maximum 55 pips. Okay. Do you see, guys? Again, it looks like I'm having problems, but I really will try to continue with recording because here on my part it shows the slides. Now I'm on the Bitcoin dollar slide. If you see, you can actually just notify me. Okay. Do you see the Bitcoin dollar slide here? It should be like this. Bitcoin dollar. Okay. Adam is saying it's okay. Thank you, guys, for confirmation. Yeah. Okay, so the Bitcoin dollar is, you can see there was a gap on the Bitcoin dollar. And again, this is uptrend, but Bitcoin is basically still in a big downtrend that started from the bubble, when bubble exploded. I was telling you so many times about the bubble. So yeah, okay, just give me a few seconds. I'll scale out 20 pips on Euro G. It's actually, just give me a few seconds. Oh, this is better now, 23 pips. Okay, nice. We won this trade, guys. Just give me a few seconds. We won this trade. I was waiting whole day for this to happen. So yeah, I'm happy how it turned. Just give me a few seconds. I will also scale out. Nice. Okay, nice. This one was nice. Live trade, guys. On my live room, you see how I'm managing everything. I'm really trying to get everything done. Okay, so the Bitcoin dollar, we had a gap here, and the gap actually was definitely made by, well, as you know, the Bitcoin is a speculative digital currency. But I need to say, one of the biggest reasons why I was very sure that the Bitcoin will explode was basically people treat it as investment, but each investment needs to be backed up by something. Bitcoin is a purely speculative currency, and because of that, it exploded. I mean, one of the reasons. Now I can give you like 20 more reasons, but one of the biggest reasons is when you make an investment, each investment is backed up by something. Gold, oil, everything is backed up. Gold was sought after even during the Sumerian and Egyptian and Babylonian period. Now we have like one Bitcoin is worth more than one ounce of gold. It's simply not sustainable, and that is why I said the best thing was if you actually sold the Bitcoin when it started to drop from the big resistance. Now all these setups that I've been giving you with the Bitcoin dollar are actually intraday to intra-week positions. So you still can trade. These are CFDs, guys. You still can trade it to the long side. But regarding as an investment, well, I personally haven't invested into the Bitcoin. I'm not sure. Maybe it will have a leg up. Why not? But at this point, all those people who were buying it when it was too high are in a big problem and a big drawdown. So from intraday to intra-week perspective, again, this was a good sell trade. As I was telling you, exactly from the POC zone, it was a sell here, guys, and you see how the price rejected to the downside. Very nice trade, and at least you could have made some 80 pips. Okay, I will now show you also what happened with gold, and we'll go with setups. I will quickly go through setups, and then I will explain because we already lost time. So guys, you still can wait a few more minutes. I will roll the slides. Due to technical problems, we were a little bit late. So this is gold, and it didn't qualify because we had a positional buy at 13.15, but gold actually rejected at here at 13.22. But well, what can we do? Sometimes it happens. Euro dollar. This is these week setups. Euro dollar 12.90 is a buy, 13.80 is a sell. We have a heavy range on euro dollar. I particularly am not trading it, but if you want to trade it, guys, here is the setup. Sell at 13.80, buy at 12.90. This is a heavy range. I will show on the screen later. GBP dollar, buy trade 30.50, stop loss 30.10, TP 31.80. Alternative sell 31.80, stop loss 32.20, TP 31.20. The Australian dollar, 71.10 buy, stop loss 70.80, TP 71.80. Sell 72, stop loss 72.30, TP 71.20. Dollar CAD 32.10. Yeah, we could see soon a sell in dollar CAD. Stop loss 31.80, TP 31. Alternative buy. Yeah, this is typo, guys. Yeah, sorry, guys. This is typo. Actually, stop loss is 32.50. TP is 31. Buy is 31. Stop loss 30.60. TP 32.10. The Bitcoin dollar 37.70 is a buy. Stop loss 36.70. TP 40.10. 40.10 is a sell. Stop loss 41.10. TP 37.70. And gold trade, I will do a live analysis, guys, on gold. Just give me a few seconds, and I will show you first all these trades, the logic, and then definitely I will move on to the gold. Okay. So this is the euro dollar. I was actually trying to go long. I missed this one. Okay. Euro dollar. As you can see, the low on this candle 36.7. It tells me that this is a heavy range, guys. Watch this. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. This is like a whipsaw on 1 hour time frame, and I'm not particularly liking what I see here. This is very, very bad to trade. So I'm definitely out of euro dollar. As I was saying, if you want to trade, this is the zone to go long. Somewhere here, 12.80, 30.80 is a way to sell. It's a weekly H4, ATR pivot point, and also daily H5. Okay, so pretty much very, very clear what you can do with euro dollar. I mean, why to trade something if you are not sure what you're actually trading, like ranging markets? What? It's so boring, right? Now the GBP dollar. Yeah, let's see why it doesn't show up here. Should show like the GBP dollar, but it seems that, yeah, server was okay. I will get back to GBP dollar, the Australian dollar, guys. Wait. The Australian dollar. Okay, I'm trying to get this. Sure, what the problem is with the internet. Give me a few seconds, guys. I will just open it on my other platform here. Okay. Yeah, I will open this one. Your GBP dollar uptrend, guys. If you read my analysis today on the GBP dollar, I said this is V-shaped reversal, inverted head and shoulders, and you could have actually made some nice pips by. You could have made pips by trading my Camarilla MACD MTF. This was a clear signal to go long. Well, 80, 90 pips. Unfortunately, signals happened on Friday. But no matter what, this was a clear rejection from this spot, and you could have made some nice money if you traded the GBP dollar to the upside. Actually, it's still going up, and I expect this inverted head and shoulders to break. For me, this was a nice setup on the GBP dollar. Let me check the dollar CAD. If this candle closes as a bearish one, guys, I'm telling you, then you could make actually some. Okay, it needs to close below 31.80. If it happens, I think I'm gonna short the dollar CAD. This could be a nice short on the dollar CAD if it closes below 31.80. But let's see. Okay, let's move on to the GBP dollar. So, yeah, the GBP dollar also is in uptrend, and as I said, there are nice potential trades here on the GBP dollar. For example, this is what I see here. 30.50 is a buy, stop loss 30.10, TP 31.80, sell 31.80. So if it gets first to 31.80 here, guys, I'm gonna sell it. This could be a nice sell. So yeah, GBP dollar, this could be a nice sell. Okay, next one is the Australian dollar. The Australian dollar, I'm trying to see where it is. Yeah, this is the Australian dollar. Okay, we see some cup with candle formation here. Okay, also bullish formation. 71.10 is a buy, stop loss 70.80, TP 71.80. alternative sell 72 with stop loss 72.30. If it gets towards 72.30, I'm gonna sell it. Here, guys, even on 4-hour time frame, I see a lot of rejections at this spot. So also we have an order block, like double bottom here. So 72.30 is a sell. Actually 71.10 could be a buy, but this is ranging. You see, the market is constantly shifting from the colors on my template are constantly shifting from bullish to bearish. It means the market is ranging, and also we see a flat higher time frame Bollinger Band. So this is definitely a ranging market. Buy trades could happen here where we see head and shoulders. Okay. Next one, dollar CAD 32.10 sell and buy is 31. Okay, the dollar CAD, guys, again, I'm saying if this candle closes as a bearish one, or maybe later it will close, we could see a sell, but it definitely needs to stay below, okay, weekly H4. So here, this is the zone. I prefer to see a reversal candle, some sort of a signal before I enter a setup. This is still a bearish trend, although we see a big retracement on intraday time frame, but every other sign is bearish. You see, big bearish trend. Still, there is a room till next support. Weekly L3 hasn't been tested. Okay, so let's see where weekly Camarillas are. Monthly is here. So yeah, we still have room till next support. If this candle is bearish, yeah, maybe this could be a nice short. Although we don't trade the dollar CAD during Asian session, but well, we might leave it and let's see. I think during the night it could drop, make some nice correction, or a drop to the downside. So the dollar CAD is bearish. Also, if you read my analysis, I'm also doing the analysis and live trading webinars with FXDD. Feel free to join, guys. Bitcoin dollar 37.70 buy, sell is 40.10. Okay, so I will show you the Bitcoin dollar just in a second. Here, guys, 40.10 is a sell. Okay, this is a sell, and if the price drops a little bit lower, okay, 37.70, somewhere here, we could actually see a buy trade. But then again, I'm not sure that you would like to trade. If you would like to trade it now, because there is a gap, and I'm still not sure how gaps are closed on the highly speculative markets such as the Bitcoin dollar. Either way, this is uptrend on intraday time frame, long from 37.70, okay, and 40.10 is a sell. And finally, gold. I will quickly give you the gold analysis. Now, the price is in some sort of downtrend, range downtrend. This is a big bullish trend, but the middle Bollinger Band line turned bearish. The price is ranging. So on gold, guys, I would just say you can try to go long 30.20 and you can try to go short 30.34 because those are ranging Camarilla pivot points. So 13.20 is a buy, 13.34 is a sell. Stop loss is 50 pips, so 13.25. Okay, positional buy. Positional buy is 13.20. Stop loss is 13.15. And target is 13.35. Sell is 13.35. Stop loss is 13.40. And TP is 13.20. So this is basically the ranging setup. Nothing much happening in the gold. So guys, this would be all. I hope that you enjoyed. Just if you have few questions, I still have a few more minutes. We are already over the time. But then again, we had, well, what happened is we had some technical problems. But yeah, let's see. Okay, the DAX. This is the DAX. This is a long setup, definitely on the DAX. If the price gets here, 11.389, makes a U-turn here, it should go up. This is bit bullish. Long started from this spot. It didn't have a big retracement, so this is a nice setup. This was a turnaround point, and you see after some range, nice signals on DEX on my Camarilla MACD. I'm not trading it, but definitely Camarilla MACD could also be good for the DEX. The New Zealand dollar, okay, New Zealand dollar. Let me just quickly check where I have New Zealand dollar. It should be here in the upper part of the market watch. Yeah. New Zealand dollar. This is bullish shape, right? But then again, nothing very, very clear. I would see if the price gets to the lower ATR, 68.35. This is where you could actually go long. Here, 68.50, 68.35. Not a big range, 67 pips, really. And I will change definitely to ATR 5. Okay, ATR Pro, and this is 5. Yeah, 69 pips. Well, again, a little bit slow, but this is level. Pay attention to 68.35, the zone where it can turn, and this is where it could go down. But this is now effectively ranging with slightly bullish market. So here you might go for a long trade. If you have any other questions, guys, 1 more minute and then we are off. So yeah, I made a Euro GBP on my live account, scaled out 23 pips, the rest to break even +1. So definitely this is looking well, promising. I mean, Euro GBP, not a market that I really prefer, but Camarilla MACD got it again. Dollar CAD, yeah, this could be a nice short, as I said, if this candle in 10 minutes, if it closes below 31.80 or slightly below, like a bearish one, or like pin bar like this, I think I might go short. Dollar Swissy, yeah, and each trade, guys, is recorded also in my FX book and in our spreadsheet. Dollar Swissy, bearish market, ranging market. It looks like it could go up now, but still this was like a bearish market, and I think this could correct to the upside. So I would wait to see if the price gets to weekly H3, 1.0026, and then maybe it will make a U-turn to the downside. But now, similar as Euro dollar, ranging market. Euro dollar is ranging, and its counterpart, dollar Swiss, is ranging, although it could go more to the upside, and the Euro dollar could actually drop. But nothing to be traded here really on the dollar Swiss. I'm not a big fan of trading Euro dollar and dollar Swiss at the same time, because usually it's like you're looking at the mirror. Euro dollar going up, dollar Swiss going down, and vice versa. Yeah, you see, ranging. Still not a good market to trade. You need to, guys, pick markets which are tradable. 39 pips ATR of last 5 days. This is nonsense. I would never even take a look at it, because I don't see the point of trading this, especially because I trade on intraday time frames, and I really need momentum in the market, guys. Like this one, this would be a nice trade. I hope that we will get it. Okay, guys, thank you. As I said, this is free webinar for my ECS live group. Expect also live signal on Telegram channel if this happens, with stops and targets for all of you guys. Again, if this closes like a bearish candle, ideally below the 31.80, we go short. Thank you, guys. Hope that you enjoyed. Talk to you very, very soon. Also, sign up for FXDD webinars, where I also do live trading, and I'm doing trading on this account, guys. It's a live account, okay? And I'm doing also educational webinars. And of course, I do the analysis also on FXDD. Find it, guys. It's easy. Any problem, just mail me. Talk to you soon, guys. Cheers.